Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Shyamal. In this class we are going to discuss about principal component analysis and cluster analysis. Okay, this is an important topic in UGC NET examination paper 2, geographical techniques. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, let's start the class. This is the course overview, lecture overview, PCA, concept and history. Then its steps in mathematics, then geographical applications, then cluster analysis, the concept, hierarchical and k-means methods, geographic applications, PCA versus cluster analysis, and MCQ practice and revision for UGC NET examination. Okay, first of all, principal component analysis, PCA. Okay, what is PCA? Okay, PCA is a multivariate statistical technique that reduces a large number of correlated variables into a smaller set of uncorrelated components, principal components, okay, while retaining maximum variance in the data. Origin, Carl Pearson in 1901 and later by Harold Hotelling in 1933. Type, unsupervised multivariate dimensionality reduction. Core idea, find new exists components that maximize variance. Output, eigenvalues, eigenvectors, factor loadings and scores. Okay, many variables, that means multivariate, x1, x2, x3 to xn correlated, and PCA transform, eigenvalue decomposition, variance maximized, and few components PC1, PC2, PC3 uncorrelated. Steps in principal component analysis. Data matrix, arrange in n observations multiplied by p variables in matrix X. Standardized if variables have different units. Then correlation and covariance matrix. Compute correlation matrix R if standardized or covariance matrix S for the data set. Then eigenvalue decomposition, slow solve R minus eigenvalue is equal to 0 to get eigenvalues. This is a symbol, and eigenvectors loadings. Decide no of number of components, use KSR criterion, this is the formula, and scree plot elbow or percentage variance explained. More or less 70% to 80%. Then compute component scores, multiply standardized data by eigenvectors to get scores of each observation on each PC. Interpret components, examine factor loadings, correlations of variables with each PC to name label components. Okay, key components in PCA. Eigenvalue, amount of variance explained by each PC. KSR criterion, retains PCs with eigenvalue more than 1. Sum of all eigenvalues is equal to number of variables, okay, always in descending order. Is factor loadings, correlation of original variables with PC, range -1 to +1, like correlation coefficient, high loading ±0.7 and more, and strong association. Okay, this indicates strong association between variables. Used to interpret name each component. Scree plot, graph of eigenvalues versus component number. Look for elbow, sharp bend in curve. PCs before the elbow are retained. Visual aid for deciding number of PCs. Component scores, score of each the observation on each PC used for mapping and spatial analysis, can be used in further analysis. Regression replaces original correlated variables. Okay, geographic applications of PCA, regional analysis, identify socioeconomic regions from census variables, Berry's 1960, multivariate regionalization of India, classify districts by development indicators. Then urban geography, urban factorial ecology, social area analysis, Safkey Bell model, social rank, urbanization, segregation, and reduce housing, income, education variables for city profiles. Climate and physical, identify dominant rainfall, temperature patterns, reduce multiple climate variables to key components. EOF, empirical orthogonal function, PCA on climatic data. Then remote sensing, principal component transform for satellite image bands, reduce spectral bands to fewer uncorrelated components, and enhance classification accuracy in land use mapping. Okay, cluster analysis. What is cluster analysis? Cluster analysis is a multivariate classification technique that groups observations like regions, cities, and countries into homogeneous clusters, such as the objects within a cluster are more similar to each other than to objects in other clusters. Okay, purpose, discover natural groupings in multivariate data. Input, distance divided by dissimilarity matrix or raw data. Output, cluster membership for each observation. Measure Euclidean, Manhattan and Mahalanobis distance. Types of cluster analysis: hierarchical, agglomerative bottom-up, divisive top-down, and produces dendrogram. Non-hierarchical, K-means clustering, pre-specifies K groups, iterative assignment, and fuzzy clustering, overlapping membership, probabilistic assignment. Hierarchical cluster analysis, linkage methods, agglomerative, single linkage, distance between closest members of two clusters tends to produce chaining effect. This is an example of single linkage. Okay, like complete linkage, example, distance between farthest members produces compact equal size clusters. Over average linking, mean distance between all pairs across clusters, compromise between single and complete. And Watts method minimizes total within cluster variance, most commonly used in geography. Okay, then K-means cluster analysis, steps in K-means algorithm, specify K, decide number of cluster K before analysis, initial centroids, randomly assign K initial cluster centers, this is known as centroids, assign objects, assign each observation to nearest centroid, use Euclidean distance, recalculated centroids, compute new centroid mean of each cluster, iterate, repeat steps 3-4 until cluster membership stabilizes. K-means key points, advantages, fast and efficient for large datasets, is to interpret results and works well with spherical cluster. Okay, limitations, K must be pre-specified, sensitive to outliers and initial centroids, assumes equal sized round clusters. Geographic applications of cluster analysis, regionalization, group district states within similar socio-economical characteristics, identify homogeneous agricultural regions, delineate planning regions for policy interventions. Urban studies, social area analysis, cluster census tracks by population traits, identify urban neighborhoods with similar housing patterns, market segmentation for urban commercial planning. Environmental geography, classify climatic zones based on temperature and rainfall data, group soil types, BIP texture, pH, nutrients for land capability, identify population hotspot for environmental sensor data. Agricultural geography, delimit crop combination regions, Weber's method enhance, classify villages by agricultural performance indicators, identify backward agricultural texts for development planning, and transport and networks, group cities by transport connectivity indices, classify route networks by density and quality, identify node clusters in spatial interaction studies. Medical geography, cluster districts by disease burden and health infrastructure, identify spatial clusters of disease outbreaks, delineate health planning zones for facility allocation. Okay, PCA versus cluster analysis comparison. Aspect, principal component analysis, and cluster analysis. Purpose, reduce dimensionality of variables in principal component analysis. Group observations into cluster in cluster analysis. Focus on variables or columns in principal component analysis and observations and rows in cluster analysis. Output, components, loadings and scores in principal component analysis and cluster membership and dendrogram in cluster analysis. Input, correlation and covariance metrics and cluster analysis, distance and disseminity metrics. Method, eigenvalue decomposition and hierarchical K-means and fuzzy. Result type, continuous component scores in PCA analysis, PCA, and cluster analysis, discrete group assignments. Okay, geographic use, regionalization and factorial ecology, and in cluster analysis, regionalization also and spatial classification. Okay, combined use, PCA scores used to input to cluster analysis for better regionalization. Okay, these are some UGC NET practice questions. Question number 1, which of the following is a primary objective of principal component analysis? Correct answer option will be option B, to reduce number of variables while retaining maximum variance. Question number 2, in PCA, the Kaiser criterion retains components with eigenvalues. Correct answer option number C, greater than 1. Question number 3, Watts method of cluster analysis minimizes. Correct answer option number B, total within cluster variance. Question number 4, a dendrogram is associated with which type of cluster analysis? Correct answer option number C, hierarchical cluster analysis. Okay, quick revision. PCA developed by Carl Pearson in 1901 and Hoteling in 1933 reduces P correlated variables to fewer uncorrelated PCs. Eigenvalue is more than 1 is equal to Kaiser criterion for retaining components. Factor loading, correlation of variable with component -1 to +1. Ski plot, retain PCs before elbow in curve. Used in urban factorial ecology, ski bill, social area analysis. Very 1960, PCA for multi-phase regionalization of India. Cluster analysis, must remember, group observations, not variables, into homogeneous clusters. Hierarchical, produces dendrogram, no need to pre-specify K value. K means non-hierarchical, must pre-specified number of cluster K, Ward's method minimizes within cluster variance, most popular, single linkage, nearest neighbor, and can produce cleaning, complete linkage, farthest neighbor, compact cluster, and PCA plus cluster analysis combination, powerful regionalization methods. Okay, this class is basically for our theory section. Otherwise, while you are going to more details in practical session, the idea will be more clear. Okay, the concept will be more clear. Okay, we will take in our next classes. They are on some take classes on some practical sessions. Okay, keep watching. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.